And welcome to another video from the SUPERJCYBS. This has been Earning Ways with SUPERJCYBS. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and follow this channel if you are very new. Today I bring you another edition of the mining online or earning online opportunities. And make sure you have joined our Telegram group. The link will be in the description and in the comment section depending on where you are watching this video from. So on the Telegram group, I post a lot of videos, I post a lot of content, I post a lot of links that people can also enjoy from. In today's video, I want to be talking to you about one mining app called the Zeusnet. Now this Zeusnet, from day one, they have allowed the opportunity for you to transfer coins or tokens from your account to another wallet. I'm going to log in quickly and then we can proceed. If you have already logged in before, then it logs in automatically for you. Their referral link is not working. Their referral count is not working. I don't know why it is so, because all those who have joined, they are not recorded. It is not being recorded here. I don't know why, but mining is what is important. So once you come onto the page, you just scroll down here. This is one of the apps that allows you to do verification even before you start earning. So before you get to this page, you have to allow verify yourself, and over here you see your balance and a whole lot. Now there's no mining activity going on here, but you have to scroll down here to start mining. Once it loads, and look here, it says transfer ZNT to another person. It says transfer to another person before you'll be able to mine. So this is how it works here. Another wallet address. So I'll go to another friend who has sent me a wallet address. It's here. I'm going to copy this wallet address so that I'll be able to transfer to him. Once I transfer to him, then I'll be allowed to mine. Yes, this is how you share on this wonderful platform, and I love it. So for me to be able to send to another person, I'll come to menu and go to send Zeusnet. So for those who didn't see, the menu is here, and then the send Zeusnet is also here. So that is what I'm going to do. I'll tap on this, and then over here there are there's a little form to fill. So you enter the recipient wallet address here. That is what the person sent you, the amount you want to send, and then this is the send button. You realize that the minimum transaction is 0.000000001 ZNT, and then there's a charge, a fee. Don't worry, I'm not concerned about that. So I'm going to paste the wallet address that I copied here, and then for the amount I'm going to send the minimum, and then I'll tap on send. I'll enter my my confirmation and then submit, and then it says transfer successful. So once this transfer is done, the transaction has been done. I have to wait for it to be activated or to be recognized in the system so that I can be able to mine. So for me to now, if I will be able to mine, I'm going to go back to the mining tab over here. So let's go to the mining tab and then see things loading. I'll scroll down here and then come and try again to start mining and see. So I'm going to start mining. I'm going to try if I can start mining here. So tap on it and then let's see. It says transfer ZNT. It means that the transfer has still not been recognized, or it has not been seen. So wait for some few moments to try again. So basically this is how it works. For you to find your wallet address, you just come to the wallet tab. To find the team of people you have referred, you come here. This place has always been loading. That is why I begin to understand that their referral part is, I don't know, they have an issue somewhere. Okay, but I'm going to post the link. I'm going to paste the link in the description so that you can join my team. And then once you have registered, make sure you join the Telegram team as well, the Telegram group as well, because that is where we enjoy as a team. we share things among ourselves, and then we promote wonderful earning opportunities that might also value, you might also find value. Okay, so I'll tap on the send again. Okay, so the mining is running successfully, and then you see a notification that says congratulations. So this is what I'm talking about. And now the mining button turns gray, and you realize that your earnings start piling up over here. So this is what I'm talking about with Zeusnet. Make sure you can already send to a lot of people. This is your wallet address. You can just copy it and share it with others. I'll put the referral link in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you follow this account for more updates. Leave us a comment, give us a thumb up, like this video, and make sure you share it to your friends who are also interested in earning online. This has been Earning with SUPERJCYBS, a Telegram group. I also invite you once again. The link is in the description. God bless you for joining us.